Hello dear students, good evening to everyone. Okay, first let me check the sound. Is it clear? Hello dear students, good evening to everyone. Okay, now start the what is the value of percent atom economy if formula weight of product is 46U and sum of formula weight of reactant 92U. So what is the formula here? So the formula is that the percentage atom economy is the formula weight of desired product divided by sum of formula weight of all reactant multiplied by 100. So product divided by reactant multiplied by 100. So here written as a product divided by reactant, product divided by reactant multiplied by 100. So what is the value for product? So the product has the value 46. So 46 divided by how much? 92 multiplied by 100. So is equal to, this is 46 by 92, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 100. So we'll get the 50%. Okay, clear everyone? This is 50%. So what is the, that's the percent atom economy 50%. And what is the formula? So which of the second question answer, which from following formula is correct formula to determine the percent atom economy? This is IMP question, very important question for 2026. Which from following formula is correct for the percent atom economy? So percent atom economy is the formula weight of product divided by sum of formula weight of reactant multiplied by 100. So we'll get at a percent atom economy. So it is the percent atom economy. This is very important question. Please note down. Next question, which from following is used for synthesis of adipic acid enzymatically by the Darth process? So this is the answer, glucose. Which of the following is used for synthesis of adipic acid enzymatically by Darth and the process, glucose? Next question, which of the following polymer is used in the manufacture of drinking straw? Drinking straw as a polypropylene. Drinking straw is made up from the polypropylene. Then please open textbook and I am showing here, that's where the question came. Okay, this is the question. That's a drinking straw. Where written as a drinking straw? Okay, this is written as a drinking straw. Drinking straw. So what is the drinking straw here? That's a polypropylene. So that's a drinking straw. So please note down. Drinking straw. Name the polymer obtained from the drinking straw. Polypropylene. Clear? Everyone get it? This is very important. Next question. Okay, what is the formula weight of or reactant of a chemical reaction if percent atom economy 60? So this is 60 is equal to formula weight of product is 54. Formula weight of product is 54 and formula weight of reactant we have to calculate it. So this is X value multiply by 100. So solve for the X value. So X is equal to 54 by 60 multiply by 100. So 0 down and 54. So as a is equal to 9 into 10. So as a 90. So this is your answer. What is the sum of formula weight of reactant of a chemical reaction? Formula weight of the product divided by formula weight of reactant multiplied by 100. So, okay, we have to calculate here reactant. So, written as a X value here. For reactant X value, so 60 as a percentage. So, 60 is equal to 54 by X multiplied by 100. So, solve for the X value. So, X value came as a 90. So, this is 90U. Clear? Everyone? Okay, get it? Next question. Which of the following statement is not true about linden? So it is known as a gamma hexane. Yes, it is correct. Not true for the linden. It is obtained by chlorination of benzene. Yes, it is obtained from chlorination of benzene. It is gamma isomer of BSC. Correct. It is gamma isomer of BSC. It is used as a herbicide. No, it is not used as a herbicide. It is insecticide. It is used as a insecticide. So this is your answer. Not true about the linden. Which among the following statement is not true according to principle of green chemistry? This is okay. Such type of question is very important. Please note down for exam 2026 also. Which among the following statement is not true according to the principle of the green chemistry? Okay, option number 1, carrying out reaction at high temperature and high pressure minimize the use of energy. No, this is not at high temperature. This is room temperature. This is room temperature, not a high pressure. This is moderate pressure. Moderate pressure. So this is the not true. This is not true. Get it? Use of catalyst minimize the waste. Yes, it is correct. Benzene being volatile compound pollute the air. Correct. Use renewable chemical rather than crude oil. Yes, it is correct. Okay, get it even. Which among the following statement is not true according to principle of green chemistry? Option number 1, carrying out reaction at high temperature. No, this is not true. Carrying out reaction at the room temperature and room pressure. That's the optimum pressure. Okay, clear? Yes, very good. Now, which among the following statement is against to the principle of green chemistry? Same question, na? Against. Against means not true. Against म्हणजे काय? Not true. Please write now. Not true. Not true according to principle of green chemistry. That's the protecting and the deprotecting function group in organic compound reduce the number of steps. No, it is not a reduce the number of steps. Increase the steps. So this is not true. Use of renewable sources ensure the sharing of resources by the future generation. Yes, it is correct. It is called as a sustainable development. Use of biodegradable polymer helps to clean the environment. Yes, correct. Unnecessary derivatization should be minimized. Yes, it is correct. So the option number 1, protecting and deprotecting function group in organic reaction reduces the number of steps. No, it is increase the number of steps. So it is against the principle of green chemistry. So please note down, this is again the very important question for 2026 also. Okay, right now. Next question as the question number, that's the next question as the question number 9. Identify the use of the polythene. Okay, polyethylene, that's the terphthalate. Identify the use of the polythene, that's the terphthalate, to obtain disposable cup and plates. No. To obtain bags for bread and shoppings. No. To manufacture the soft drink bottles. Yes, it is the correct. To obtain the soft drink bottles. And next, to prepare the bottles of storage shampoo. No. So it is called as that's a PETE. That's okay, called as a PET. Okay, PET. It is also called as a PET. I am showing here. That's where written as a PET in your textbook. So that's a page number. How much page number? 343. Written as a PET. So here written as a PET. Soft drinks. Soft drinks PET. So this is polyethylene. Polyethylene, that's a terphthalate. So please note down, this is very important question asked for your CET exam. Okay, clear? Everyone get it? Soft drinks, that's a polythene, that's a tertiary. Clear? Get it even? Okay, next question. And then remaining as the disposable cups and plates, we are written as the disposable cups and plates. Disposable cup and plates are from polystyrene. Polystyrene, disposable cup and plates. So it is also called as thermocol. That's the polystyrene stand for thermocol. Next, to prepare the bottle of the store shampoo. So we are written as the store shampoo. We are written as a shampoo storage, shampoo bottle. So this is HDP. HDP, high density polythene. Okay, clear? Get it even? Next question. Which among the following statement is not a principle of the green chemistry? Not a principle of green chemistry. It aims to dump waste product formed in one system instead to use as a raw material for other system. No, it is not true. Okay, it is aimed to that's use the waste product of one system to the use as a raw material for other system. So it is against the JWT, zero waste technology. Okay, to get the priority for the prevention of waste. To give priority for prevention of waste, yes. To develop technology for zero waste, yes, correct. Effluent of one industry can be used as a coolant for thermal power station, yes, correct. So this is not a principle of the green chemistry. Number one, it aims to dump waste product formed in one system instead to use as raw material for the other system. Next question, that's find the formula weight of reactant if formula weight of product is 54 and percent atom economy 75. So what is the formula here? That's a 75. 75 is equal to formula weight of the reactant, formula weight of product 54 divided by formula weight of reactant X multiplied by 100. So what is the X value here? So X value as a 54 divided by 74, 75 multiplied by 100. So this is that's a 4 and this is 3. So this is 4 by 3. So 54 by 3. So answer as a 72. Okay, so this is 54 multiplied by 4 and this whole divided by 3. Answer as a 72 U, unified mass. Okay, get it even? So please note down. This is a very important question for your CET exam. Okay, the formula weight of reactant we have to calculate it. So I am taking as a formula weight of reactant as a X value. Formula weight of product is given and percent atom economy is also given. So what is the formula? Percent atom economy is equal to formula weight of the product divided by formula weight of reactant multiplied by 100. Multiply by 100. So we'll put the value here, that's 75 into that's 54 by X into 100. We'll get the answer 72. Next as what is the percentage atom economy if formula weight of reactant and formula weight of product respectively. So what is the formula weight of the product? Formula weight of product is 35. Formula weight of reactant 45 multiply by 100. So okay, we'll get the answer 70. Okay, 77. So please check the answer. Okay, next question. Okay, what is the value of the percent atom economy if total molar mass of reactant and the total mass of product? So 27 is the mass of product divided by reactant as the 36 multiply by 100. So we'll get the answer as a 75. Mass of product divided by total mass of reactant, multiply by 100. Formula mass of the product divided by formula mass of the reactant, multiply by 100. Next question, identify the use of the high density polythene. High density polythene manufacturing the bottles for storage shampoo. Next is the manufacture of disposable cups. I am talking about the polystyrene, and to prepare the drinking straw, it is as a polypropylene. Here as a shampoo bottle, here as a soft drinks. Okay, downside written as a disposable cups for the polystyrene, and drinking straw for the polypropylene. Okay, get it? Next question. Identify the use of the polystyrene. Same question here. Identify the use of polystyrene for household purpose. To prepare bottle for storage of mouthwash, to prepare shopping bag, to manufacture disposable cups and plates, to prepare microwave food tray. So this is your answer actually. So drinking straw, disposable cups also. Next, shopping. Okay, here written as a bread and the shopping bags. Here written as a shopping bags, low density polythene for shopping bags. And next written as a okay, that's a mouthwash bottle. Next, food packaging, cooking oil bottle, PVC polyvinyl chloride. Okay, get it even? Which from following statement is not in support of the good atom economy? Very high number of atoms of reactant incorporated in the product. So this is correct. Laser problem of waste disposable. Yes, correct. Formation of greater quantity of unwanted byproduct. No, it is not a support of good atom economy. High percent of atom economy. Yes, very good. It is the high percent of atom economy. What is the formula weight of product if percent atom economy is 30? So this is the 30 is equal to, and formula weight of reactant is the 60. So formula, so this is the x value here divided by 60 multiplied by 100. So I am talking about the what is the formula weight of product. The product value as the x. This is atom economy 30. Formula weight as a 60. So solve this and we will get the answer. Okay, so what is the calculation here? That's a 60 multiplied by 30 and this whole divided by as a 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 into 3 as 18. So 18U. Okay, get it? Okay, if you calculate that's the formula mass of product written as the x value and the remaining two are given. Okay, what are the remaining two are given? Formula weight of reactant and the atom economy are given. Out of the three quantities, any two are given, third can be calculated. So simple. And multiply by 100 as a percentage. Okay, if you calculate the percentage, then it should be that's the division of the two term multiplied by the 100. So what is the formula for percent atom economy? Formula weight of product divided by formula weight of reactant multiplied by 100. Okay, get it everyone? Which among the following statement is not true about the role of green chemistry? Not true. Not true about the role of green chemistry. It prevents environmental pollution. Yes, it is true. Following the principle of green chemistry will destroy ozone layer. No, it is not correct. So this is your answer. Not true. It helps to control the greenhouse effect. Yes, correct. It helps to reduce the capital expenditure. Yes, correct. Very easy question and very, very important. What is the formula weight of reactant, so this is X value here. If percent atom economy, then formula weight of product is. So, okay, what is your calculation? Percent atom economy as a 25. So, written as a 25 here is equal to, what is the formula mass of the reactant, and 75. So, this is 75 divided by X value multiply by 100. So, solve for X value. So, X is equal to 75 divided by 25 multiply by 100. So, this is the 25 for 10. So 75, that's a 300 value here. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, now check it is okay. Clear it is clear. Sound clear? Screen and sound both are clear. Okay. All clear. Okay. Which among the following statements is not true about the, so please check the question. Which among the following statement is not true about the green chemistry? Screen clear है क्या? Please सांगा बरं. Is it clear? Which among the following statement is not true about the green chemistry? Okay, it is an approach to minimize the pollution. Yes, it is true. It is an approach to minimize the human efficiency. Minimize the human efficiency. No, it is maximize. So that's not true. This is not true. Minimize. It is an approach to maximize human efficiency. Maximize human efficiency. It is an approach to minimize hazardous effect on environment. Yes, it is correct. It is studied to minimize, that's a problem of the energy crisis. Yes, it is correct. Okay, question number 20. Get it, everyone? Next question. What is the formula weight of product? So this is again the numerical here. What is the formula weight of product? So I am talking about the formula weight of product as a X value. Formula weight of reactant are given. So what is the calculation here? 45 is equal to formula weight of product as X divided by formula weight of reactant 54 and multiply by 100 as a percentage. So how to calculate? So 45 multiply by 54 and this whole divided by as a 100 will get the X value. Okay, solve. That's a 24.3 as the answer. Please check out. Solid state next week. Next to next week. 1 week after. Okay, solid state 1 week after. Next, which among the following solvent is considered as a green chemistry? Which among the following solvent is considered as a solid state 1 week after? Which among the following solvent is considered as a green solvent? So supercritical CO2 as a green solvent, and again as a water. Water also as a green solvent. Next question, what is the value of percent atom economy? Yes, all question from 2021 to 2025. Yes, what is the value of percent atom economy if 180 gram you molar mass of desired product? So this is the 180, straightforward question, and the reactant as a 240 and multiply by 100, so we'll get the answer. Directly we'll get the answer. Yes, all question from 2021 to 2025. Yes, all solid state solution, ionic, thermo, electro, kinetics, all numerical, 6 chapter from all. Okay, please solve the question. 0 0 get cancel. Okay, so simple, as a 0 0 get cancel. So we'll get the answer 75, na? Get it? Okay, next question. Which among the following statement according to principle of green chemistry? According to principle of green chemistry is correct? Use of crude oil is better than renewable sources. Use of crude oil is better than renewable sources. No, it is not correct. Renewable sources is better than crude oil. Increase in total amount of solvent and auxiliary substance used is favored. No, it is not favored. Waste product of one system may not be used as a raw material for other system. No, it is not correct. When most of the atoms of reactant are incorporated in desired product is good atom economy. Yes, it is correct. Option number 4 is correct. When most of the atoms of reactant are incorporated in desired product is a good atom economy. Correct. Next question, what is the value of percent atom economy is 140. 140 U is molar mass of product. So this is the 140 divided by molar mass of the reactant as a 210 and multiply by 100, we'll get the answer. We'll get the answer 66.66. So please check the option. 0 0 डाऊन करा पहिल्यांदा, 0 0 कॅन्सल करा. ठीक आहे, नंतर 21 आहे, 21 नंतर 14, तर 0 0 कॅन्सल केल्यानंतर हा नंबर येईल 14 and then that's 140 divided by how much 21 आणि सॉल्व करा. थोडक्यात हा नंबर असा पण येऊ शकतो, दॅट्स 14 divided by 2.1. 14 divided by 2.1. Get it? म्हणजे 140 divided by 2.1. ठीक आहे. First that's a 0 0 and then again 0. So this is the number here. ठीक है. Next question. Which among the following statement is not true? Which among the following? Next has the, okay, this is a, right now, okay, that's a green chemistry. Next has the nanochemistry. Okay, next lecture, nanochemistry. Nano. Right now we have to complete here green chemistry. After completion of green chemistry, next lesson has the nanochemistry, and then next has the coordination. After coordination, then transition, then P block. P block stand for group, that's 15, 16, group 16, 17, 18. And then that's the physical. Okay. Which among the following statement is not true according to principle of green chemistry? In a chemical synthesis, the waste product should be zero or minimum. The waste product should be zero or minimum. Yes, it is correct, but it is not true. It is correct. It is true. Next has a good atom economy in the product. No, this is not a very few. This is maximum. So this is not true. Only small amount of unwanted byproduct are formed. Yes, only small amount of unwanted byproduct are formed. Use of linden is better than DDT. Linden stand for BSC. So use of BSC is better than DDT. Yes, it is correct. Next question. Which among the following statement is true? Which among the following statements true about gamma hexane? Which among the following statements true about gamma hexane? It is an isomer of BSC. Yes, it is correct. So this is your correct answer. It is an isomer of BSC. It is one of the herbicide. No, it is not a herbicide. It is insecticide. Yes, I am also teaching the concept also. Okay. It is obtained from benzene by bromination. No, it is obtained by chlorination, not a bromination. It is chlorination. Okay, herbicide. It is not a herbicide. It is insecticide. It is obtained from benzene by bromination. No, it is obtained from benzene by chlorination. It is monochloro-derivative. No, it is hexachloro-derivative of benzene. It is not a monochloro-derivative. It is the hexachloro-derivative. So this is also the concept, na? Get it? I am talking about that's the remaining option related to question. It is also explain the concept. Next question. What is the value of the percent atom economy when an organic compound of formula weight 75 is obtained from a reactant having some formula weight? What is the value of percent atom economy when organic compound formula weight is obtained from reactant having some formula weight? So what we have to calculate it here? So this is that's 75 divided by 225 multiplied by 100. Okay, get it? So we'll get the answer 33.33. BSC stand for benzene hexachloride. Next question. Calculate the percent atom economy when a product of formula weight 175U is obtaining chemical reaction using 225U formula weight reactant. Calculate the percent atom economy formula weight is. So this is calculation here. 175 divided by 225 multiplied by 100. So we'll get the answer as the 77.7. So B option is the correct. BSc written in your textbook as the benzene hexachloride. Next question. Find the formula weight of product if formula weight of product as the X value, if percent atom economy 66, sum of formula weight of reactant 210. So 66.6% is equal to X divided by 210 multiply by 100, we'll get the x value. So what is the x value here? X value as a 66.6 multiplied by 210 and this whole divided by as a 100. So point shift. We'll get the answer 140. Next question. Identify the polymer from following used for disposable cups and plates. Disposable cups and plates. So this is polystyrene. Polystyrene is the answer. Disposable cups and plates. So this is polystyrene, disposable cups and plates. Okay, get it everyone? This is very important table where the written as all the polymer and their use. Clear? Get it everyone? Next as what is the formula weight? What is the formula weight of reactant if the formula weight of the product is the 35U and the percent atom economy is 40%. So what is the formula weight of reactant as the x value, formula weight of product and percent atom economy. So what is the calculation here? 40 is equal to 35U divided by x multiplied by 100. So we'll get the x value as the 35 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. 0 0 get cancelled. Answer check out please. 87.5. 0 0 get cancelled. So 5 4 10 as a 5 by 2. 5 by 2 as a 2.5. Next as a 35. Okay, we'll get the answer 87.7. 5 somewhat. Okay, that's 87 point something. Next question. Which among the following statement is not true? Not true according to principle of green chemistry. It is safe for environment to prepare adipic acid from benzene. No, it is not prepared from adipic acid from benzene. It is prepared from adipic acid from glucose. So this is not true. Avoid the formation of hazardous waste. Yes, it is correct. Use water as a solvent instead of halogenated hydrocarbon. Yes, correct. Designing of safer chemical to prevent toxicity. Yes, it is correct. So which statement is not true? It is safe for environment to prepare adipic acid from benzene and instead of benzene written as a glucose. So this is not true. Okay. Now start the question from the 2024 exam. Next question 2024. All question from 2021 to 2025 we have to study. Which from following chemical activities does not exhibit good atom economy according to the principle of green chemistry? The formation of Grignard reagent, so they use as a catalyst. So this is not exhibited, does not exhibited. So it is correct. Formation of Grignard reagent, they use the catalyst. Action of HX on alkene to form the alkyl halide. So it is again the correct. Action of thionyl chloride on ethanol to form ethyl chloride. So this is not a good atom economy because there is the SO2 and HCl as the byproduct. Okay, if you use the thionyl chloride on ethanol, SO2 and HCl as the byproduct, so this does not exhibit the good atom economy. Formation of cyclohexanol from phenol by catalytic hydrogenation. Yes, it is good atom economy. Combination reaction, all combination reactions are good atom economy. Always remember, all combination reaction. I am written as a good atom economy. Good atom economy. Good atom economy. All combination reaction. All combination reactions. It should be all combination reactions. Okay, written now. That's a good atom economy. That means all combination reactions. It should be all as a combination reaction. Which of the following solvent is safe to use and consider as green solvent? So water, and second as the supercritical CO2. Supercritical CO2 and water, only these are the safe solvent. All these are the hazardous solvents. Hazardous stand for toxic solvent. These are toxic solvents. Okay. Next question. Calculate the percent atom economy. Calculate the percent atom economy if the product of that's a 650 U mass is obtained from 75 U of reactant. Okay, so what is your calculation? That's the mass of product is a 650. So this is 650 divided by reactant as a 780 multiply by 100, we'll get the answer. 0 0 first cancel, then we'll get the answer 83.33. 0 0 get cancelled, then next has the 6500 divided by 78. So it is written as a 650 divided by 7.8. So we'll get the answer greater than 80 but less than the 85. Okay. Next question. Calculate the percent atom economy when a product mass is obtained from reactant having sum of formula mass. So what is your calculation? 140 divided by 200 multiply by 100 is equal to 0 0 get cancelled first. 0 0 get cancelled. Again this 0 0 get cancelled. So 70 is your answer. First 0 0 get cancelled. Again this 0 get cancelled. And next has the 7 into 10. So we'll get the 70. Get it even? So please note now, okay, that's the formula mass of the product divided by formula mass of reactant multiplied by 100. Next question. Which from following household plastic is used to manufacture the shopping bags and carpets? Low density polythene. Low density polythene. PS, PVC, PP. Then what is stand for the PS, PVC, PP? I am showing here as a one of the table where written as the PP. PP stand for polypropylene. PS stand for polystyrene. Okay. Next as a here written as the PET. PET stand for the polyethylene terephthalate. And next is the HDP, that's all know high density polythene. Okay, get it? So PS, that's a polystyrene, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PP stand for polypropylene. You should know, okay, this is question from 2024 CET question. Please note now. Next question, which among the following is used to prepare adipic acid using enzyme by Darth and Frost technology? Glucose. Which among the following compound is used to prepare adipic acid using enzyme by the Darth and the Frost technology? So glucose is your answer. So it is that's the glucose obtained from the biological sources. Which from following compound is used to prepare? Same question. Adipic acid, date change, glucose. So glucose is your answer. Same question, 4th May 2024. Next, okay, this question also the 28 April. So this is 28 April 2024. Same question, 28 April 2024, shift 1. And in that's the next step also, 4th May 2024, shift 1. Okay, same question. Which from following exhibit the good atom economy? So which is that's a combination reaction. Good atom economy, it should be always combination reaction. I am talking about the combination reaction. So this is your answer. It should be combination reaction. Combination. Always remember combination reaction having good atom economy. Combination reaction. All combination reactions. Please note now. So what is your answer? Option number B is correct. Everyone get it? How to solve the such type of question 2024? Same question will appear in 2025, 26 also. How to find out the good atom economy reaction? So combination reaction, okay, should be mentioned. Okay, two or more reactant to form single product called as a combination reaction. Everyone get it? Okay. This is very important. If asked the question for good atom economy, always remember there should be the combination reaction. All combination reaction shows good atom economy. Okay, next question. Identify the polymer used to obtain the disposable cups and plates. Again the same question, polystyrene. So I am showing here as one of the table where written as a polystyrene, and so polystyrene is used as a disposable cups and plates. Polystyrene disposable cups and plates. Remaining as a low density polythene, high density polythene. Get it? So this is PET, HDP, high density polythene. Next question. Which from following statement is not correct? According to principle of green chemistry, not correct. Use of waste product of one system is a raw material for other system. It is correct. Less the weight of desired product and greater the sum of total weight of all reactant is favored. No, it is not favored. So it is not correct. Less the weight of desired product. No, this okay. There is written as more the weight of the desired product. Avoid the formation of hazardous wastes in process. Yes, it is correct. Use of microorganism for organic synthesis. Yes, it is correct. Next question. Not correct. Huh? The question asked as the not correct. Next question. Which of the following solvent reduces the environmental pollution, water, and as well as the supercritical CO2? Supercritical CO2. It is called as a safe solvent or non-toxic solvent. And all these are the toxic solvents. Toxic or hazardous solvent. Hazardous. All these are the toxic or hazardous solvent. Next question. Which from following chemical reaction good atom economy? Again the question about the good atom economy. So catalytic hydrogenation of propene, all combination reaction. Always remember all combination reactions shows good atom economy. This is very, very important. All combination reaction shows the good atom economy. So catalytic hydrogenation of propene will get the single product. By using catalyst, we will give the single product. So this is combination reaction. Catalytic hydrogenation of propene, double bond converted into the single bonded by addition of hydrogen. Next question. Which from following statement not true according to principle of green chemistry? Not true. It is good to use the technique of protection and deprotection. No, it is not a good technique. It is bad technique. So this is not true. This is your answer. It is not a use of technique of protection and deprotection of functional group in organic synthesis. Use of chemical derived from plant resources is better than the crude oil. Yes, it is correct. Use of biodegradable pesticides. Use of biodegradable pesticides is advantageous. Yes, it is correct. Use of critical CO2 as solvent is better than organic solvent. Yes, it is correct. So not true statement is it is not good to use the technique of protection and deprotection of functional group in organic synthesis. Next question. Which from following polymer is believed to leach human carcinogen into the food when used as a household plastic? So it is called as the PS. PS stands for the polystyrene. So I am talking about here as a polystyrene. So here written as a polystyrene. So okay, that's a zooming. So written as a polystyrene. It is believed to leach styrene, possible human carcinogen into the food. So it is avoid. Next question is LDP, PP. LDP stand for low density polythene. PP stand for the polypropylene. Next as the PET stand for the polyethylene terephthalate. What is the percent atom economy when when formula weight of product is 70, so what is your answer? What is your calculation answer? 70 divided by formula weight of reactant 140 multiply by 100, will get the answer. So first as a 0 get cancel. This is 1 by 2 into 100. So how much value came as a 50%, na? So this is 50%. Next question. What is the value of percent atom economy when a reactant having sum of formula weight in the formation of product with formula weight? Product with formula weight. So calculation 65 as a 78 multiply by 100. So we'll get the percent atom economy. So how to solve such type of question? So this is the 6500 divided by 78. It is again the 650 divided by 7.8. So we'll get the answer in between 80 and 85. So 83 is your answer. Round up answer as a, that's 83. Okay. If the salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride to form aspirin, calculate percent atom economy. So if salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride, so 138 plus 102, how much value came as a, this is 10, this is 4, this is 240. So 240 as a reactant. 240 as a reactants to form the aspirin. Aspirin is a product. So 180 divided by 240 multiply by 100. So what is your answer as a 0 get cancel. So 18 2 times 0 divided by 24. Again 180 divided by 2.4. Okay, so we'll get the answer 75. Which of the following principle of green chemistry suggests the use of chemical made from plant-based resources? So green chemistry suggests the use of chemical made from the plant-based resources. Use, okay, that's a minimization of the step in the process. Minimization of steps in the process. Design for degradation. Use of renewable sources. Yes, it is correct. It is for petrochemicals. Which of the following is used as a green solvent? This is a very important question. Green solvent, supercritical CO2, and second as a water. Water, H2O, only two are the green solvent. Remaining are the hazardous solvent, non-toxic solvent. Hazardous solvent. It is also called as a toxic solvent. Not a safe solvent. Next question, which of the following is effectively used instead of DDT? BSC. Benzene hexachloride, BSC stands for benzene hexachloride, is effectively used instead of DDT because DDT is toxic, DDT is banned. DDT is banned. DDT banned because it is toxic. BSC is not toxic. So this is used as effectively. Identify the principle suggesting to avoid protection and deprotection of selective group for organic reaction in green chemistry. So it is called the reduced derivative. Reduced derivative. Next, calculate percent atom economy when 46 gram ethanol 46 gram ethanol is obtained from 64.5 gram chloroethane and 56 gram KOH. So calculate the percent atom economy when 46 gram ethanol is obtained. So this is your product. And the addition, all these are reactants. These are the reactants. So what is the reactant here? 64.5 and the 56. So 5, 10, 12. Okay, so what is your calculation? 46 divided by 120.5 multiply by 100 will get your answer. That's a percent atom economy. So how to solve? This is 46 2 times 0 divided by 120.5. So point shift kara 2 places. So 46 divided by 1.205. So answer in between the 35 and 40. If you divide 46 divided by 1.2, so we'll get the answer as the 38 something. Or okay, if you divide the this number 460 by 12 will also give the answer, because this is the 0.05 na, neglected. Okay, clear? Get it everyone? This is so simple calculation in CET exam. CET don't ask a question calculation which is greater than 1 minute. If you try to solve the question greater than 1 minute, then okay, you are not getting the better score. Always remember, because it is a competition with time. 45 minutes and 50 MCQs. Okay, always remember, if you solve the one question, that's 1 minute, then that's 6 to 7 questions remain as it is. Not able to read it. Which of the following household plastic material is used to prepare the drinking straw? Drinking straw is made from PP. PP stands for the polypropylene. PP stands for okay, that's the polypropylene. I'm talking about the table here, okay? PP. That's a polypropylene drinking straw. This is very, very important for your 2026 exam. Next question, that's a find the principle of green chemistry to show protection and the selective group is not advantageous. Show protection of selective group is not advantageous. Use of renewable feedstock? No. Reduce number of derivative? Yes, it is correct. Use of catalyst? No. Design for degradation? No. Which from following compound is called gamma hexane? Very important. Gamma hexane also called as the lindane. So benzene hexachloride, this is stand for BSC. BSC gamma isomer. Very, very important question. 2026. In a reaction, formula weight of product and formula weight of all reactants. Formula weight of product 137 divided by formula weight of product 274 into 100 will get the percent atom economy. So this is 1372 times 0 divided by 274 will get the answer. Okay. So this is your answer actually. This number came as 1 by 2 into 100, 2 times 137 divided by 274. This is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 as a 50%. Which among the following is treated as a green solvent? So many time question as a green solvent. Supercritical CO2 and second as a water is a green solvent. And remaining are a toxic solvent. Remaining are the toxic, hazardous, not green solvent. Not a green solvent. It is not a green solvent. Next as a calculate atom economy. Calculate atom economy in following reaction that occur under ideal condition. So what is ideal condition here? This is 1 mole. This is 1 and 3. So this is 4 actually, no? 4. And so this is 2 here. Okay. So how to solve? Okay. So this is the reactant. All these are reactants. And this is product. This is product. This is the reactant. I am talking about reactant and product. So reactant as the 1 mole. So this is 28 gram. 28 gram. Plus hydrogen as a 3 mole. So 6 gram. So this is, that's a 2 times. 2 multiplied by ammonia as a 17. So how much as a 17 into 2? 34. So this is 34. And 28 plus 6 as a how much? This is again the 34. Okay. 34 gram. 34 gram. So what is the reactant here? So reactant product. So product as a 34. Reactant as a 34. Multiply by 100. So 34 by 34 is equal to 1. 1 into 100. So we'll get the answer as a 100%. So this is your answer. Okay, clear? Get it even? So ideal condition. Ideal condition should be that's a stoichiometric balance equation. Clear? Eh? So calculation as a 34 by 34 multiply by 100. 34 by 34 will get the 1 into 100. So we'll get the 100%. Next question. Find the principle of green chemistry for the use of bottom ash from thermal power station used as a raw material for bricks industry. Prevention of byproduct. This is the first principle of green chemistry. This is the first principle of green chemistry where bottom ash from thermal power station used as a raw material for bricks industry. So it is called as the zero waste technology. JWT. Zero waste technology. First principle in green chemistry. Which of the following use as a green solvent? Again the question for green solvent, water, and second as a supercritical CO2. Supercritical CO2. Supercritical CO2 and water as a green solvent, and remaining are the toxic solvent. These are the toxic, not a green solvent. In a chemical reaction, sum of formula weight of all the reactant is an atom economy 50%. Calculate the formula weight of desired product. So calculation as a 50 is equal to X. So for the desired product, written as a X value divided by the reactant as a 274 multiplied by 100. So what is the X value here? X value as a 50 multiplied by 274 and this whole divided as a 100. So 50 by 100. So this is 1 by 2. So 274 divided by 2 will get the answer 137 U. U stand for unified mass. So option number A is correct. Okay, get it even. Next question. Which solvent from following is used in order to avoid creation of waste and pollution of air? So it is green solvent. So it should be green solvent. So what is the green solvent here? Water. And second as the supercritical CO2. Supercritical CO2. So green solvent, it should be green solvent. Okay. Next as the supercritical CO2.